What's up, BB?
What up?
So we are at the Battery here in Atlanta, Georgia. We wanted to give you guys a tour of all the restaurants and things that they have going on here. So let's see what's happening.
Let's take a walk around.
So we're going to dive right in here. This is Jenny's Ice Creams. And right over here we have Wahlburgers, owned by the famous Wahlberg brothers. This is the Park Bench, which is a piano bar. And directly in front of us is the main entrance to the Battery. We're going to make it right here. This is Feast Asian Food Hall. We're going to talk about this in a separate video, but it was very, very good. Gonna take a little stroll down this side street here. Here we're gonna have Pepper Boxing Gym and Silver Spot Cinema. Gonna head back the way we came. Right to the left is where the Park Bench is. We're gonna keep going straight up this street right here. Directly in front of us is Italiano, an Italian restaurant. You'll get a better view of the sign at the end of the video. Right here is Crew Wine Bar, and a little further back there is Good Game, which is a Top Golf inspired, or powered rather, sports bar. So you can get your golf swings in, y'all. So I'm gonna make a right here. Gonna actually go down this street here, just past Good Game. We're gonna go back down into the left. And there's a lot of restaurants and other shops here. Right here directly in front of us we have El Superpan, which is a Latin inspired sandwich shop and bakery. I'm gonna look right just really quick. There is a Fat Tuesday hiding back there. There it is. Gonna keep it pushing here. Right here we have Dress Up, which is a women's clothing store. And just behind this light pole, there is a specialty like candy shop called River Street Sweets. Coming up here on the left, we have the Punch Bowl Social, which serves like diner kind of cuisine. We'll get a better view of the front of the building later on in the video. And right here we have Sugar Boo & Co., which is like an art shop. They sell like home goods, things like that. Gonna come up on two more restaurants in this little stretch here. This one here is Superica, which is a Mexican-American fusion kind of restaurant. And right over here, we have Goldberg's, which is a New York deli inspired restaurant. Right here, we have Antico Pizza Parlor. And we can see a little bit of the piece of the live at the Battery Atlanta. And right here, we see a Yard House. We've been to Yard House before, this specific location. You'll see why in just a little while. Just off to the right, we see this little green sign, which is the Garden and Gun Club, which specializes in Southern cuisine. And a little further down, we can see the C. Elliot's Steakhouse. Directly in front of us here is the Chop House gate to Truist Park itself. Off to the left here, which we're eventually going to go in that direction, there's more of these sports bars and things like that. Get you some good brews, good drinks, more food down that way. See the H&F Burger right here. going to look right just momentarily. Here we go. There's an Omni Hotel back here, right here next to the stadium. Now we're gonna head this way. This is the Terrapin Tap Room, selling Fox Brothers barbecue. Love some good barbecue, being from St. Louis. Go right through the crowd here. Back there you can see the Coca-Cola Roxy. I'll talk about that in just a minute. Right here we have the Clubhouse store. Get you some of your Braves gear right here by the stadium. You can see the Blue Moon Beer Garden right here. And we are at right field. Coca-Cola Roxy is a small concert venue, and we have seen a couple concerts here. We've seen NCT 127, we've seen Card, P1 Harmony, which is why we go to the Yard House. Always a good time. Here is a better view of the front of Live Battery Atlanta. Nice to see everybody out right at the beginning of baseball season. Pretty soon we're going to go to the left, and we'll see very quickly a PBR, professional bull riding bar. There was one in Vegas, but it is no longer there. It is closed. And just momentarily, I'm going to stop talking because we ran into some street performers, and so I'll let you guys enjoy that. Which is a sports products and experiences kind of place. We have a Van Michael men's barbershop. There's the front of the Punch Bowl Social. Here we have Threads and Baseballism, getting more of your Braves gearing. Gonna make our way down. This is the escape room. I've always been curious about these. Might have to try one of those one day. We're about wrapping up our walk through the Battery here. Directly in front of us, this little bar is called Cortland at the Battery Atlanta. You can see crew right there where we were just a little while ago. And right here, we're back at Italiano. I hope you guys enjoy walking with us through here. We had a really good time ourselves. Thank you so much, BBs. We love you. This is Feast, and we'll tell you a little bit more about our experiences there. Bye, BBs.